Folks, welcome to Best RV. I'm inside the brand new 2026 Ford Silver Impression 306YM. This fifth wheel is amazing. It has a beautiful circle dining table in the middle. It has things not of all the fifth wheel they offer to you, such as a dishwasher at that price point. So what do you see behind me over here? I have a full dishwasher. I mean, this is a complete kitchen with a dishwasher. When are we gonna have fifth wheel with dishwasher? Well, guess what? The Impression fifth wheel, they give it to you all. Now, look how beautiful this sink. It's a sink with the three functions. You have a place here to rinse your cup. You have the waterfall. You have the high-rise faucets. It has the place to cutting board, place to clean your vegetables. Nice area prepping on the side between the sink. And the nice thing, look at me, I'm standing here in my kitchen. I'm not in the way of people watching the TV. I'm not in the way of the people sitting and eating. I could look up from this window and see nice, beautiful oceans, forests, rivers, and so on. So you could see the functionality of this kitchen. And then I have the 30-inch microwave right here above the 3-burner range with a nice backsplash. Big oven. And then everybody asked me, this is a warmer? I said, no, this is a door for cooking pans. You could put all the cooking pans here. And let me show you, it's very deep door. A lot of tinsel doors. Place for trash can. You could put your trash can here. So it's a full function kitchen, from the microwave, the 3-burner range, the oven, the cooking pan, the place of the tinsels, to the place for a trash can, and bigger sink and a dishwasher. And I could do all this business and I'm not interfering with anybody. Now to the right side, because I know women, they're gonna tell me, look Niall, yes, beautiful kitchen, but I need more prep area. Well, guess what? They give you this prep area. So I have this prep area, or I could call it is appliances counter. What do you mean by appliances? I could put my espresso machine. I could put my toaster, my margarita mixers, whatever you want to add. Here's the required 110 plug. They give you the nice solid surface, so if you spill water on it or liquid, it has no effect. There's a plug for USB plug, as plug for 110. There's more storage. Look how deep it is. Look all the deep storage they offer you. Nice coloring. I mean, I like the kind of creamy beige with a gray and the gold backsplash. And the wood, more storage. I mean, you could see a lot of storage. They give you the bigger refrigerator. So this is a fridge, this is a freezer, and again, this is the Furrion where you could operate it off the 12-volt system. Very nice big refrigerator. And then the lady is gonna come back and say, where's my pantry? Well, guess what? Here's your pantry. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You could put your flour, sugars, cane, you name it, chips, salsa, canned food, you name it. You could store all over here. So I have nice fridge, freezer, nice counter space, big pantry, and look how long that kitchen. In the meantime, it's so easy for functions. Functions, that's the, everybody make fifth wheel, but what's the function of this fifth wheel? I'm standing here, and if I have my family member sitting on the eating table, I could serve them the food. I could grab whatever I need from the fridge and serve them the food. I could cook anything. I could grab anything from the microwave and I serve them with no issue. Beautiful chairs. I wish I had these one in my home. Now, so you could see from this corner is a complete kitchen with all function, with a beautiful LED light in it. So it's complete. Then the customer is going to come back. Okay, you're getting this fifth wheel, but I need an office. I need to work from my fifth wheel. Well, guess what? They give it to you, and it's very simple. You raise this piece up, and you latch it. Okay. Now look, I have more open for legs. Then I put this chair. I put my laptop, my desktop machine right there underneath, my monitor, my keyboard. Also, if you want more storage, look what they give you. This is a smart move. I could hide my papers, my pencils, pens, my laptop, my cords. I could hide it here, and when I want to use it, I just pull them, put them here, and voila, I start using it. And it's a complete office. We mean it. They give you doors, for your files, for papers, pencils, pens. Also, if you're not going to use it for office, you say, now look, I go traveling, I go camping, I don't want to work. I am tired and I'm go here to go have fun. I understand, sir. No problem. You could use it as a storage. You could use it as a counter space. You could drop this and you have shelf. You could do multi-function in this unit. So you could do all kind of stuff. You could use it as a counter space. You could use it as storage or as office. Now, so kitchen, office, now living area. The living area, what I like about it, they give you complete living area. So you have a nice hide-a-bit sofa. This is hide-a-bit sofa. So when two people sitting on those recliners and two people sitting here and a bunch of kids sitting on the table, they're all socialized. They talk, they enjoy the living area. It's all about family. Family-oriented fifth wheel. This is how you look at it. You could sit here, you could watch the nice smart TV, as well the fireplace with the 2 GPL speakers and USB plugs. Also, if you sit over here, you have a nice recliner chair. Man, they're big, heavy, and they're loose furniture, so it gives you the ability, I mean, you could sleep on them. Physically, you could sleep on them. Look how big is this recliner. And they're swivel, so I could talk like this, or I could talk like that, and they're facing the TV and the fireplace. They're not on my way. So you could see what you gain with this unit from the functionality, from the options, from the feature, and the separations. Kitchen, dining room, living room, and we're gonna go laundry room, bedroom. So the function of that. Now, those recliners, the front of this big pantry, and now you're gonna say, what do you mean pantry? Well, guess what? Look here what they give you. They give you a huge, even it has a light, big shelf, and then they put a block, so in case if you want to put something, run off 110, you can. You have room to put whatever you want. You could use it as a pantry, storage, you can rack. I don't know what to say. There's too much to put on this shelf. And you could do Dyson vacuum and so on. And if you don't want to use it, very simple, you could just lock it, put the safety lock, and voila, and it's locked. And a nice beautiful hidden pantry inside behind the TV and the fireplace. Now let's walk here. This is what sells this unit too. This is a selling point on this unit. A second bathroom, or I could call it second, let me just bring this one. So a second bathroom where you have a nice porcelain toilet, you have a deep sink, place to put your soap, more cabinet, you could put your laundry soap, anything for your laundry, irons. You could hang your brooms here. This is for brooms, mops. They give you a complete nice dryer and a nice washer. So it comes with a stackable washer and dryers, come with a sink, and also the lady is going to tell me, wait a minute, you have a washer and dryers. When I take my clothes from the dryers, where I'm going to fold them? Well, guess what? You have a nice shelf here, so I could take my clothes from the dryers, put them here, and fold them, just to show you how so convenient. So they thought about everything. That's what I like about Impressions. And then also, if you want privacy, you have a nice pocket door. Voila. So nice pocket door. I like the new changes of the color. They walk away from too much gray, because a lot of manufacturers, they put too much gray color. They walk away from that. They put in white, cream, beige, brown, all combined together. So, stackable washer and dryer, a sink, a laundry shelf with a full bathroom. And you could not believe this bathroom is held, because a lot of people, what they want, you don't want people to walk in your bedroom, through your bedroom to use the bathroom. Because 90% of the people sitting here, what they're gonna use is the bathroom. So they could come watching a movie, eat, whatever, they could come rinse their hands, wash their hands, use the bathroom. Again, you still have full privacy here, so no one could see your bed. So if I close this door, no one could see my bed. So I could come from outside camping, use the bathroom. I could go from the living room and the kitchen and use the bathroom. So you eliminate people walk into your bedroom, nobody could see your mess or the mess on the bed, and privacy. Now, you want to have your own master suite, this is what's come here. So if the cameraman coming in here, I show you them. Look how beautiful king size bed. This is a king size bed with the AC on top of it to cool off. There's these metal shelf for your iPhone, iPad, and USB plug. And then this is a versatile bed. So look over there. So I'm pushing that switch, and now guess what? The bed is down. So nice. Even if I kept the bed down, I still nice good walk area between the bed and my vanity. There's a place here for the second TV. You could put another TV for the bedroom with the plug right there. Big window. Again, nice counter. More doors for your anything. I mean, socks, underwears, shirts, you name it. Then you come here to a beautiful master suite. I could not believe how they did this. Is a walk-in closet with 2 vanity bathroom with the touchscreen mirrors and all of that in a Fifthwheel. This is not a Fifthwheel, this is glamping. This is like high-end hotels. Even the hotels, they don't give you this. Beautiful shower. Look all this marble look up in the back. It's amazing. Nice shower head. Easy to get in, like especially people, they complain about their knee. Easy to get in. Easy low seat for women to do their business. I could sit here and take a shower if I'm tired. A nice glass shower door. It's very easy. You take the safety traveling latch and voila. Complete shower door. Nice porcelain toilet. No room. Place for my towels if I want to use this shelf. Nice vanity sink for his and her. 2 cabinets, his and her. And doors. You name it. Beautiful mirrors. Easy to get dressed up and after you walk in. And also a nice barn door. Voila. Full privacy in my bathroom. I could dress up, I could take a showers, I could do all of that. Now coming over here, this is a really nice touch. Women, they love it. They could have a nice makeup table. How many times you go to a Fifthwheel, you have no place to put your makeup. Hair dryers plug right there. Nice mirror. You could fix your hair, makeup, dressed up after you walk from the shower. And you have a room for you dedicated. The husband could do his own things. And I love this. Women love this area. Love it because you could put all your makeup bottles, perfume bottles, hair dryers. Fill this table as much as you want, so when you come away from this bathroom and that bedroom, you look sharp. Big hanging closets, more shelving. You put shoes, maybe jeans, towels, you name it. Big doors, solid. They can open. And you could put shoes here, you could put jeans here, you name it. I mean, you guys, you know more than me how to stack this big closet. But the beauty about it is a full walk-in closet, a vanity, 2 vanity, and then a nice makeup area for the lady with a big standing showers, king size bed. Beautiful, beautiful. Look here. Please look here. A beautiful king size bedroom and versatile. So you could recline this bed while you're watching a TV. And it's all just touch a switch. That's the beauty about it. Just only one switch. Amazing. Technology now, and recreation vehicles went way beyond before. The outside, what they did for 26. Again, the 26, they changed the cap. They added a beautiful LED light right here, LED light in the front, as well on the driver's side. So you could see when you hitch up the Kinston pin box at night, so you could see it. Also, they give you a nice storage in the front where you keep your spare tires and the batteries and all of that's covered. And then you have a big pass-through storage. As you could see, it's aluminum constructions, the 30 amp solar controller, all LED light, battery disconnect, and place for your GP speakers. Outside here, you have a brand new, two beautiful power awning. They changed the LED strip to a nicer one and more brighter, so they give you more bright look. Notice you see my reflection in the fiberglass because this is a gel-coated fiberglass aluminum frame. And then you have the model 360YMR, said sleep 4 to 6, mud room, half bath, whatever you want to call it, king size bed in the front, and super slide opposing each other with a table and floor chair. And then over here we have Class 3 hitch, rated for 3,000 pound towing capacity. They give you the plug, the receivers, backup camera prep in the back, ladder expandable. And then you have the tube to put your sewer hose right here. That's where you put your sewer hose in the tube. This is the slide opposing the other slide out. Come with the 50 amp power cord. Come with the power cord. And then we have a nice docking stations and pass-through storage. As you see, outside shower hot and cold. It has endless hot water heater. And it's a 60,000 PTU endless hot water heater. This has the auto leveling system. So it's a 2 air condition, 2 power awning, and auto leveling system. And there, right here, the 2 propane tank. Look at that. Nice cap in the front. So as you see, it's a perfect unit. It comes with a mud room or a second bath or laundry room, king size bed, but I love the bedroom and the bathroom and the vanity and the walk-in closet, and there's a bench with a chair for the lady to do her makeup. Come with the office, come with the dishwashers, come with all of it. Coming in and grab this unit from Best RV because we have a price no dealers can match, and even if they try, we'll beat it and we'll prove that. No hidden fees. Coming in.